Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix your hanging problem in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just click on the settings, then click on app management, click on app list, and you have to just click on all the apps like this, and then you have to click on storage and cache, clear cache the storage and clear data, then press back. You have to go to the file manager, any file manager, and release some storage like images, videos and downloads. It will fix your hanging problem also. And then simply press back. You have to turn off auto updates and release some unwanted apps that are not in use also. You can just click on the Play Store. Here it is profile, then click on settings. Here it is network preferences. You can just turn off from here, don't auto play videos and don't auto update apps. You can turn off system update apps also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.